Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Printify seller account to create and sell custom print-on-demand products, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Printify website and click on Sign Up to create a new account. You can also sign up using your existing Shopify, Etsy, or other e-commerce platform credentials. Step 2. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide basic information about yourself and your business. Step 3. After completing the registration, Printify will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Printify and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Step 5. Log into your Printify account and navigate to account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Step 6. Complete your account profile by adding your business name, address, and contact information. Step 7. Connect your sales channel by integrating Printify with your Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or other e-commerce store. Follow the integration instructions provided. Step 8. Set up your payment method for paying production costs. Printify accepts credit cards and other payment options. Step 9. For business accounts that need tax documentation, provide your tax identification number or business registration information in the billing settings. Step 10. Once all steps are complete, you can start creating products, publishing them to your store, and fulfilling orders through Printify. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.